Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting video with Fix This House. And today I'm going to fix a vinyl replacement window, and I'm going to do it the wrong way. Alright, there I said it. Let's just get this over with. I'm going to try something here that's unconventional and it's wrong. I know I'm trying to save a little money, okay? So I'm going to do something and I know it's wrong, but it might just work. So here's a vinyl replacement window which we replaced in our home quite a handful of years ago. And then a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, the lower glass broke. Now this is double pane, so it's got the argon gas inside the two panes. Well, there's only one pane here. The front pane broke off and I've removed it. I've removed all the broken pieces. So for 2 years it's been like this, with just a single pane down low, and it's all dirty, kind of nasty. You can't really tell that well, but it is. And so I went and got an estimate from a window place to fix this for me. And look at the date on this. August 4th of 2021. Right, so this is over 2 years ago, and their price came out to $268.22, and that was, like I said, a couple of years ago. Well, that's the right way to do it. I just didn't want to spend the money at the time. So I want to try something. I want to replace this with a piece of glass myself. I won't have the argon low E or whatever it is inside them. It may fill up with condensation or moisture or fog over. I want to take that chance just to see what would happen if I go down to my local hardware store, buy a piece of glass, and just secure it in there. And it will be quote-unquote fixed, even though I know it's not the right way to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to remove this window, put it down on the table, and take it from there. Alright, so let's take the window out. Now, like I said, I already cleaned out the broken glass. Did that a couple of years ago. I pulled out these plastic inserts that go all the way around on top of the glass. And that's why you can see this section here. And this stuff's still kind of sticky. Alright, and now I'm going to remove this lower part of the double hung. And you got these clips up here that hold it in, and I should be able to get this out. Should. One side, here's the other side, and there we go. He comes out. Alright, it's not a very cold day today, so we'll be alright. I'm just going to keep the bedroom door shut while we do the repair. Alright, so here's the bottom of the double hung, the lower part that we're repairing, laid out on the table. Got a white sheet beneath it, and I want to clean it first. And wearing gloves because it's possible that there could be little pieces of glass still sticking to this. But I'm going to take a few minutes to clean this off because it's the only chance you get, you know. And it's got some stuff on there. I don't know what it is, but I might need to get something to, maybe a razor blade or something to scrape it. It's kind of like it's got stains on it or something. I don't know really what they are. So let me work on this for a little bit, and then I'll talk to you again soon. Alright, I finished cleaning the glass. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. And here's the new piece that I bought at the local hardware store. So let's unwrap it, and I'm going to clean this top side, and that will be the side that we put down the inner part of the window, because once we put it in place, there's no cleaning the inside, right? and we'll give that a quick cleaning. And all right. Fabulous. All right, so I'm going to use a little bit of clear silicone. This product made by DAP, Advanced Modified Polymer. And I'm going to put a little bit of sealant, not entirely all the way around, because I still have some adhesive, but just in a few spots. It's not like I can get an airtight seal, you know, it's not even a possibility, but I just want to have some sealant in some spots. All right, put some more of that on in a few places, and then we'll be ready to drop the glass down on it. Okay. Wish me luck. Looks pretty good. All right. Okay, so the remaining step is this trim here, these trim pieces on the sides, top and bottom, that serve to hold it in place and cover up all the seams. So I'm going to figure out how to get those in, and then I think I do the top and bottom first and then the sides. Push it in there all the way further. That's it. All right, that's pretty good. All right, it's not bad. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now I can clean this side of the glass, I guess. Maybe I'll hang it up and put it back in the bedroom window before I do that. But that's it. The glass went in pretty good. And I'm hoping that this will buy us a little time. May not be a permanent fix, but it's a better than nothing fix. And if such a time comes that it gets all filled or cloudy or dirty in there or fogged up, I don't know, we'll just see how it goes. Then I can still fix it the right way, but maybe this will save us a little money and buy us a little time. Let's go put it back in place. All right. Go. That's it. All right. Clean that window and it'll be done. And there you have it, my friends. That's how to fix a vinyl replacement window the wrong way. I spent about $35 on the glass, another $10 or so on that sealant, so it's a $45 repair, as opposed to probably $300 to do it the right way. And maybe this will buy us a little time. I wanted to at least try it and see what happens. Maybe I can give you an update in the future, you know, how long it looks decent. Like right now it looks great. Will it look this way in a week or a month or a year? I don't know, but to me I feel like I saved money and I still have the opportunity to go back and, you know, pay the $300 for the low E, you know, vacuum sealed glass, and it's not a hard job to do that. But I do find it fun to save money and see if I can get some more life out of it. What do you think? Am I a knucklehead or am I a genius? Well, never mind. Don't answer that. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and questions in the discussion below are always appreciated. Thank you for watching Fix This House, and please subscribe for more money saving and helpful videos that will be of value to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.